What's going on, Delia and G&G Metal Roofing Systems? My name's Keaton with Dicio Media right here in Texas, and I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I just want to give you guys an idea of what ranking on Google can do for your business on helping it grow online. So before we really get into that, let's talk about some of the ranking factors. First, content is king. That's going to come into your photos, your videos, what text, the information that you have on your website. So Google wants to see you answering those questions to their users when they're looking for metal roofing in San Antonio. They want to see that they're engaging your website, that they're clicking on your book inspection, contact us, the click to call up there at the top right, and that you're just being useful and helpful to their users, and they're going to help. Once they see that and recognize that, they're going to start boosting your website up because you're helping their users and their customers answer their questions, which is ultimately what they're trying to do. So let's check out one of these tools I use to kind of get an overview of the market in that area when we're talking about those buyer intent keywords. What I've done, this is a tool I like to use called Ahrefs, and we've got Site Explorer loaded up right now, and we've got your website in here. So it can give us a breakdown of your backlinks, your referring domains, the organic keywords that you're ranking for. So let's check out the keywords you're ranking for. So G&G is going to be very specific. It's what I like to call as a referral. So if you've passed out business cards, you're door knocking, you've got truck wraps, you've got yard signs, you've talked to someone, these are the people that are finding your website on Google, but they're typing in G&G Roofing or G&G Systems or G&G Contractors. They're not typing in the generic buyer intent keywords of metal roofing San Antonio. So let's check out two of your competitors that are ranking for these generic ones. This is one of them right here. They're ranking number one on a lot of them. And let's look at the back end of their website as well. So we've got their number of backlinks. We've got their referring domains right here. We've got their organic keywords. That's how many keywords their website is ranking for. And you can see that they had 255 people visit their website in 1 month. That's not paying for Google ads or Facebook ads. That's just organically finding them on search engines. So let's check out these keywords. So again, we talked about metal roofing San Antonio. 100 people search that per month. A 4 KD that scales out of 100, so it's not going to be too difficult to rank for. It gives you the KD or keyword difficulty gives you an idea of how many other websites are trying to rank for that keyword and what the competition is going to be like on that process on getting ranked on Google. So cost per click is $12 per click. So if you were going to run Google ads, you could account to average about $12 each click for metal roofing San Antonio. And then they are ranked number one, and they had 37 people visit their website in 1 month. Usually it's about I always shoot for 10 to 15% of that are going to actually click to call, fill out an email, submit form to actually turn into a lead. But you can see that this is generating traffic to their website. And again, these are people that are actively looking for metal roofing services in San Antonio. So they are converting on some of this traffic. The exact percentage I couldn't tell you, but that goes into kind of your sales process. How well can you get them to click to call? How well are you answering the question on the website? So a lot of different factors go into this, but you can see like they're getting all this traffic per month on this website, and these are all the buyer intent keywords that they're ranking for. Same thing, we could look at one of your other competitors, Metal Roofing San Antonio. This one, let's go to the bottom. This one looks like it's more of a lead gen. I don't even know if this is a real roofing company in the area. So it's probably a marketer that put up a website and is generating leads and then selling leads. That's what it looks like to me, at least. But let's check out their website in the back. We can see their backlinks. We can see their referring domains, their organic keywords, and their organic traffic. Again, this is just all specific to metal roofing in San Antonio, but they're ranked number 2, and they had 15 people visit their website in 1 month. But just giving you the idea of once you get those right buyer intent keywords and start ranking for them, it is going to generate that traffic organically over time, and it's going to build that reliable source of constant leads coming in per month, because you're just getting listed up at the top of Google, you're referred to by Google, and people can easily find your website when they're looking for your services. So one more thing that I do want to show you. So another big ranking factor is building a backlink profile that kind of complements. It's like online referrals, right? So whether it's a supplier, a client, a customer, another website that is pointing at your website and basically saying you're a legitimate contractor or business in the area. What I usually do to build a strong backlinking profile is we can go into your competitors. If it's working for them, it's going to work for your website too. So we can look at all the domains that they have that are pointing at their website, and then we can look over here. That's how many backlinks, 33 backlinks from this one domain, and we can click that and just get even more of a breakdown. And then we can come into this gmx.com. I think this one's like more of a search engine, but it's basically like a little search engine website that you can have your listing up here as well, but it's pointing back at your website, which is going to refer to Google of, hey, this person's a little bit more legit because more websites are pointing at them that are relevant, that are trustworthy, to send them over. So not all links are created equal. You don't want to just go get a whole bunch of random links. That happens to a lot of people, and it actually can hurt your website. But finding those right relevant links are really going to boost up on that ranking. So hey, I hope this was helpful. I did keep it specific to metal roofing, but the same thing goes with roofing in general, shingle, asphalt, whatever. Yeah, I just hope you find this helpful, useful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. You'll see my contact information at the bottom of the email. Y'all stay safe and have a good one.